Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. Let me direct your attention to this Invanti Tide2. Here we go. All right guys, this Invanti Tide2 is a great little e-bike, I tell you. It is budget friendly, coming in at around $650, $700 or so. It is well equipped for that price. It's lightweight at 60 pounds. It folds, so it makes it easy to transport. Maybe you want to stick it in your RV, the back of your car, take it camping, take it down to the park. There's a lot of little things you can do with this nice little bike right here. Let's look at some of its features. We have 20x3 tires up here that gives you plenty of knobs, so you get plenty of traction whether you're on-road or off-road. You do have mechanical disc brakes. You have for front suspension. We've got an integrated headlight. We have a folding handlebar stem that is also adjustable for varying height. We do have the folding mechanism down here. We do have folding pedals. We have a 10 amp hour battery pack right there underneath the seat. We do have a suspension seat post, and this seat raises up to get it out of the way so you can get to your battery. We do have an integrated rack. This is all part of the frame, and we have a kickstand down here. Your fenders are metal, and you have an integrated rear tail light and brake light right there on the back to keep you safe. Up here in the front, we do have these really nice grippy palm rest handle grips. I like those a lot. Again, the brakes, we have a 7-speed Shimano shifter, and we do have a twisty throttle right there on the right. Back over here at the display, we have pedal assist levels 0 through 3. More about that during the riding video. You can see how fast you're going, how much battery you have left, and what your mileage is. Now guys, whether you're headed out to the beach, you're going down to the lake, whether you're going to be cruising through town or hitting some trails, this little bike right here is great for the money that you spend. You get a lot of bang for your buck is what I'm telling you. It's also proven to be very zippy, whether you're using full throttle only or whether you're using pedal assist. You can get down the road and get there rather quickly. Speaking of which, let's take it for a ride. All right guys, this motor is a 500 watt, but it peaks at 900 watt, and it is proven to be very zippy. I tell you what, we can get out here, get going pretty quick. Now it only has 3 levels of pedal assist, and what I have found is that the pedal assist operates a little differently than most bikes that I'm familiar with, and I'll show you what I'm talking about right about here. When we're in pedal assist 1 and we decide to go ahead and get to cranking on our pedals here, the bike starts out nice and slow, very controlled, very comfortable, slow speed in pedal assist 1, but it slowly picks up speed. So we're at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and we're about to run on a road. 17. Yeah, see what I'm talking about? But let's go over here, pump it up in the pedal assist 2, and start cranking on the crank. Now we're picking up speed a little faster. We're getting there a little quicker on our giddy up, right? We're already at 15, 16, 17, 18. So pedal assist 2, there's 19. Doing a little ghost pedaling now. There we are. Pedal assist 2 gets us to about 19 miles per hour. I find that kind of interesting when pedal assist 1 gets us to about, 18. Let's pop it up in the pedal assist 3. Do the same route. I'm not using my throttle. And start cranking the crank. And again, we got some pretty quick giddy up. We're already at 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There's 20. And that's what it wants to give us, 20 miles per hour. So, a little different, programmed a little differently than some bikes. Drop it back down in the pedal assist 1, and it's gonna slowly creep on up there. We're at about 10. There's 11. There's 12. There's 13. There's 14. There's almost 15. Well, I'm gonna have to stop here. Well, you get the idea. So just a little different programming on how this thing operates, but I like it. Yeah, I mean, it's a comfortable bike, comfortable ride. I noticed that you start to get a little bit of ghost pedaling. Once you get way up there at about, 17 miles per hour or so, you start to feel a little ghost pedaling. Kind of nice, kind of like it. The brakes work real well. Let's stop right here. Yeah, they work fine. It takes no effort at all to kind of lock them up. We're just going to do throttle only now. Get out here. This is pedal assist 1, guys. And we're at 20 right there. So we can do 20 miles an hour, pedal assist 1. So you have full throttle, whether it's pedal assist 1, 2, or 3. Which is a feature I kind of like. But you know what? We can change that right there. We can unlock this bike and make it go 25. Let's see if we can figure it out. We're going to hold both buttons up. And I'm going to leave that there. There we go. Pedal assist 3. It's set for 0. We're going to put it on 1. And we're going to back out of here. So now, let's see if we get up to 25 like the manufacturer suggests. Full throttle at this point. There's 19, there's 20, there's 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Hot dog. So right out of the box, you're at 20 miles an hour, but you can easily change it to make it a 25 mile an hour bike. I like it. Throttle only, zooming on up there pretty quick. Still in pedal assist 1. That's okay. I like going fast. So some of the things that I like most about this bike is that it folds. The handlebar stem is adjustable. So if you're a short rider, okay, you can take this handlebar stem, drop it down real low. But if you're a tall rider, you can bring it up pretty tall there, see? And I'm 6'1", and that's pretty tall. Yeah, I'll just leave it right there. Let's get out here and do a little more riding. Now, this Invanti Tide2 is available on the website. It's also available on Amazon.com. So you can go check it out. There will be links down below if you're interested. So how does this compare to some of the other bikes we've had on the channel recently as far as value? You know what? With the current discount that I saw on Amazon.com, brings this price down to about $600 and, I don't know, I think it was like $670, $75 or something. So for $675, you're getting a 500 watt motor that peaks at 900. You're getting a 10 amp hour battery. It's a little on the small side. We get a folding frame. The whole bike is only 60 pounds. You know, you get working headlight, you get working tail light. You've got a nice display up here that works well. It goes 25 miles per hour. You know, you got the Shimano shifter, Shimano derailleur. Yeah, I would say this is a great value. I mean, a really good value for what you're getting based on how it's performing, because it's performing well for me. Yeah, let's get on out here and get on down the road. Whoa! Ooh. Whoa! Whoa! Ooh. Yeah, this is a comfortable ride right here. That suspension seat post makes a big difference. It's got a nice saddle on it. This is not one of the bikes that I would probably upgrade the saddle or seat post, because there's no need. They've got your comfort in mind. They give you a bike that should be ready to go right out of the box. Now, hey, let me tell you this, guys. Talk about right out of the box. There's very little assembly. You get this thing, you take it out of the box, you unfold it, you take off some of the packaging. You have to attach the handlebars to the handlebar stem down there. No tools required. And you got to slip in the seat. No tools required. The only time you need to pick up a wrench, and they provide you one of those, is to tighten down the pedals when you install those. That's it. Charge this thing up and you're ready to go. Yeah. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video getting to know the Invanti Tide2. If you have any questions about it, drop them down below. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And as always, ride responsibly, ride safe. I'll see you in another video real soon.